Good morning. Allow me to present my writing. Wayang Anime as multiliteracy-based literary learning media representation to strengthen Pancasila student profile. In this era, the younger generation is surrounded by technology and life with their various ideological temptations. The main direction of learning, whatever the lesson is not only to educate but also to develop human values. Learning in 21st centuries is expected to have a context that is be linked to problems and stories of everyday life. Wayang anime, puppet, as a novel medium has long been used to build a civilization through the concept of guidance and spectacle. In this era, wayang was considered old-fashioned, entertained, and was not of interest to the younger generation. Students prefer digital and multimedia-based entertainment such as game, manga, Japanese comic, anime, Japanese cartoon, and film. This is proven by the increasing popularity of online game and Japanese cartoon and social media and entertainment screen put on TV and the internet. Some research results that should be used of reference include Sutarso and Murtioso, Erandaru, Saraswati, Sari, Ruastiti, Haryanto. From this research, it is known about SOTA, state of the art, and also the research game. In this research, it was stated that the delivery technique using digital media format received a positive response from the audience. Based on the studies, it is known that wayang has the potential character development that is in line with the direction of literary learning. Several studies have tried to discuss wayang innovation in the last format, but none has discussed the potential of wayang being converted into anime wayang. Several studies have discussed the potential for transferring puppet rights, but no research has discussed the potential for transferring wayang rights. The intersection of literary with context, culture, and communication media will become multiliteracy according to Abidin. And problem formulation, how does wayang anime represent multiliteracy-based literary appreciation learning media to strengthen the profile of Pancasila study? Methods. This type of research is classified as qualitative descriptive research. Data from previous research document, literature book, scientific journal, research report regarding information need, information source, collection, and information center are data related to variable. And finding and discussion, wayang is considered conventional entertainment. The younger generation prefer digital animation, comic, and cartoon. This is proven by the popularity of games such as Mobile Legends and other among young people. In fact, now it has become a sport, namely a sport. College students also like anime Japanese cartoon. This is proven by the popularity of anime series in Indonesia. In fact, this anime is not only liked by children and students but also adults. Based on Google Trend, the popularity of wayang is far behind anime. Seeing the potential success of anime, it is very possible for wayang stories, complete with their character, to be converted in the anime wayang. In order for wayang to remain sustainable, it needs to be adapted according to the taste of the time. From a cultural science perspective, it is known that the best way to preserve culture is to continue creating it. So the best way to preserve wayang is to create wayang that is adaptive to technology and development over time. Meanwhile, from an educational perspective, learning must be designed to be fun and intelligent. Of course, fun should not take away from intelligence. Intelligence must not only to be cognitive oriented but also effective, psychomotor, and development of other values, including national values and Pancasila. The transfer of wayang rights occurred because of its encounter with multimedia technology and digital literary. The principle of 21st century learning are four things, namely, one, introduction should be student-centered. Two, education should be collaborative. Three, learning should have context. Four, school should be integrated with society. And in the learning should have context aspect. Learning material literally need to be linked to the context everyday problem. Such certain media or method student can connect with the real world. In this way, student can find meaning and use value in life. The potential of anime puppet as multiliteracy-based literature appreciation media. The challenge of studying literature today is to remain creative and innovative while still retaining the value character information. Creativity in literature learning can be realized through a perception skill, asking questions, dividing in the group, using method, and using creative media. Synthetic action will occur in anime perfect. In the anime, the storyline can be non-linear. This type of wayang does not use monologue but use dialogue. This is because their process of transferring vehicle from traditional wayang media to anime wayang, the transfer of wayang vehicle has actually been around for a long time as evidence by the discovery of wayang relief on the temple walls, some of which have even been made into tall leaves. The classic assumption is that tradition and technology cannot be assimilated. Traditional art technology are often considered to be in conflict. Anime puppet. Wayang anime can be used for various learning purpose. In language learning, for example, it can be used to learn speaking, listening, and also writing. In learning to appreciate for write anime wayang literature, it can also be used medium as inspiration for discovering ideas and also psychological essence. Puppet wayang can also be used to appreciate and write drama script. When writing drama, the resulting imagination must also be creative and have good dialogue. The story ideas that can be taken from anime puppet will determine the quality of literary work created. The existence of anime puppet media make imagination grow. In addition, other multidimensional knowledge can also be conserved. In this research, it can be concluded that from multiliteracy perspective, anime wayang media is not only seen as a learning tool. Anime wayang media also has meaning as a multimodal aspect that is cultural and nature and is able to convey and start understanding and also as a tool for performance of understanding. Therefore, the use of anime puppet has a less main function in literary learning, including one, generation understanding, two, guiding the process as acquiring knowledge, three, being a mean of demonstration and performance, four, forming creative learning, and five, preserving Indonesian culture. Anime puppetry transfer as profile booster for Pancasila study. Successful literature learning began with the ability to increase the willingness to learn. At this time, the challenge for learning is not only increasing ability but also rebuilding will. Effective education has the characteristic of being packaged in a fun way and being able to achieve goals. Our learning must be able to create learning atmosphere that is capable of thinking locally and acting globally. Within the framework of 21st centuries learning, the Pancasila student concept was launched. According to Ismail, the characteristic of Pancasila student includes six main things, namely faith and devotion of God Almighty, noble character, global diversity, mutual cooperation, independent, critical reasoning, and creativity. Pancasila students are the embodiment of Indonesian students as lifelong learners who have global competence and behave accordance with Pancasila values. The stories anime wayang are rooted in the noble stories in Indonesian wayang. So the transfer complex and heavy puppet stories, it will become the medium that is light, simple, and easy and to enjoy. Figures show the creativity of wayang depiction in the form of anime and manga. Gatot Kaca and Pandawa character can again be recognized through the manga and anime puppet. In this way, local character and their noble stories can still be known. This is from of wayang can be used and multiliteracy based learning medium which also has impact and strengthening to profile Pancasila student. And conclusion, anime puberty, wayang anime is able to cover many aspects of learning modalities because it contains visual, audio, kinesthetic, spatial, and also verbal aspect. The involvement of various aspects of these modalities is very important in presenting a literary experience. Wayang anime has an qualities of traditional wayang from in the modern ones can be reinforcement the Pancasila ideology is learning. So anime puppet the characteristic of Pancasila student, namely globalism with local culture, can be achieved. And thank you.